We have Illinois. We call it the land of red Inkin. But the state of finances there is not a joke. The governor is now talking bankruptcy after a judge threw out the state's pension overhaul. The judge is here. A state cannot declare bankruptcy, can it?
Well, this is not the state. This would not be the state of Illinois declaring itself bankrupt. That would have catastrophic financial consequences. Yeah. This is a single pension fund, or maybe there's more than one pension fund that would be declared in bankruptcy. So basically, the haircut, so to speak, that the pensioners would take would not be dictated by their elected representatives in Springfield, Illinois. Okay. It would be dictated by one federal judge, probably sitting in Chicago, and that judge would make all the decisions.
However, I think it's the Supreme Court of Michigan has said that's a contract, and you've got to live up to it. You must. So could a bankruptcy...
Court of Illinois.
Of Illinois, I'm sorry, yes. So could the bankruptcy judge say, it was a contract, and you've got to do something in Illinois to make good all this money?
Yes, great question. Bankruptcy judges have the authority, essentially, to interfere with contracts, even in ways that state governments can't. So a bankruptcy judge should say, I find and declare, after looking at all of the money that's available and looking at the pension commitments, it is impossible for you, the state of Illinois, to provide for the health, safety, welfare, and morality of the people in Illinois and still comply with these pension benefits. So I'm going to declare the pension fund bankrupt, and I'll decide what you will pay them. Or he could say, you know what, you got a deal, you have to pay them, find the money.
He could say that.
He could say that. He can't order them to raise taxes, but he can say, find the money. They have a new Republican governor who campaigned on fiscal austerity. I don't know where he's going to find the money.
You know, during the commercial break, the three of us were discussing Tom Brady, and you expressed real passion about what Tom Brady had done.
Yes, I think that Tom Brady should be suspended for the full 2015, and if there is for them, 2016 season, and I'll tell you why.
With the judge.
I'll tell you why. What he did affects the integrity of the game at its most critical point. That is the league championships games, the victor going to the Super Bowl. It is the most watched, scrutinized athletic event on the planet, and he attempted to alter the outcome by surreptitiously doing that. I'm going along with the report. I have heard nothing to contradict the report. Mr. Brady refused to comment.
But wait a second.
He lied in public, and he refused to cooperate. Both of those violate the collective bargaining agreement. Even A-Rod cooperated with his interrogators.
But they never said he did it. They said there's probably a good chance that he knew about it. That's a very weak.
Yeah. That would not wash in the courts, but it washes with the NFL. Private entities like Fox can discipline on the basis of probabilities, not on the basis of certainties. There's no requirement of proof beyond a reasonable doubt. If Roger Goodell wants to shore up this game, major assaults on its integrity will be deflected by this punishment.
I hope I'm never in a court before you as the judge, because I'm a dead man.
Yes. You know what it would cost, Tom?
What?
It would cost him, it would cost him probably about $25 million.
Are you on first-name terms with Tom?
No, not after this. I'm not on first-name
No, I don't think you are. All right, got to segue away for a second. You hold on right there.
All right.